So these are my visualizations. I can add charts, filters, or whatever it might be. I can do that in seconds right now because it's a template. I only need to select any visual and choose any field, drag and drop, and everything is built for me. I can choose any fields of my choice, more than one in the same visual if I want, because everything is connected, everything is filtered for me. There are visualizations. So I'm going to explain it here maybe. So these are visualizations, and for each visualization, it has its own features. So for example, this is called a card. It is meant to return a single value to highlight it, maybe total revenue, variance percentage, or whatever it might be. It will show you here which visualization is selected and what are the fields that you selected. And over here, when you go to the queries, you will see the fields. You see the queries are checked. So for example, if you choose the variance percentage, you're gonna choose that. You can see that selected, but on a query level, you will see that there are fields from this query as a part of the visualization. Because sometimes here, for example, you can have multiple fields from multiple queries, so you can easily refer to the fields. You will not be able to see the data compared to Excel. You are only working with column titles. That's why the description of every query and every field should be very, very, very clear, and you should not leave any chance to confusion.